love me, I know you care. And I was like, baby, 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 oh, like
Nindot na yung magkanta ka ron.
Na, to.
tuara na ka mo! Tuara! Tuara! Di na basta-basta! Tuara! Please! Ay, dapat.
Start sa padabata ka. Kuan, P. Letter P. Oh, sige na, third set.
Kumusta ang biyahe na pagalkaraw? Ari na pinagluto taka ng Bicol Express. Pansit labo, igaw ang laing na may siling labyo. Ay, labuyo. Basta ang aldaw mo, ibahan mo ako. Lilibuton niya ang luwa ang Bikolan. Garo kasi mayon na magayon. Padabata ka, daing ibang hindi ka. Papadabaon ka.
Patatabaon ka ka? Grabe yan! Pambak ka na gye!
Walang ibang mamahalin kundi ikaw. Wait, kanta na lang ko Justin Bieber.
Ah, grabe na. Coachella na.
I know you love me, I know you care. And I'll be there. You are my heart, you are my love, so you can never ever be apart. I'll be your idol, girl, quit playing. We're just friends. What are you saying? And I was like, broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 oh. Would you always be mine, mine? When I was 13, I had my first love. She had me talking crazy. I was starstruck.
She had me going daisy. Now I'm smart.
Alam mo na si Justin Bieber di ready ay.
We did the driving in a car. Bruh, you're
Destination Drug Dealers Bar.
Pass the mic right over to Charles.
Wait, we forgot Charles.
But we can't go back because you're going to.
No, we actually have to go back.